friends, students, and enthusiasts. So one more project on Wokwi. So this project already we have done, or rather we'll be doing it with the real hardwares. Okay, and the same project I'm showing you on the software, that is the Wokwi software. I've made it. So how the simulation takes place, that we are going to check in this video. So I'll just explain you how the things work. So you all know about the Wokwi software. That means for using ESP32, this is the best software, that is simulation software. Now, what you have to do at the beginning, all right. So first of all, when you log in and you come to this page, you have to just go to the plus button over here and you have to keep on adding the components required. So you can see here on the left hand side, it is given DHT sensor and switch and other things and all. Everything you have to take it from here. So like OLED display, I've used it. That is 1306 OLED display. I've used it here. So just click on this display. Automatically, the display comes over here. Okay, I will just tell you, I'm just clicking it. It has come over here. So I will just click it now because already I have taken it and given the connection. So I will not use this display. So I will just click it and I will say delete. So I will go. So likewise, you have to take all the parts from here, like whatever it is given. Like I need one push button that already I have taken. Then I wanted the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensors. Okay, 4 sensors you can see here I've already taken, right? And DHT sensor, DHT22 or DHT11. Accordingly, you can write it down on your codes and you can take it from there. Okay, so when you take the components, how to give the connections. So very important, when you want to give the connection, just go to the start and the end point. Suppose I want to give connection from here. I will remove this connection first. Like I have given connection from here to here. I will remove it. I will just click on the connection. I will just say remove. So suppose I want to give connection from this VCC point to this VCC point. So what I will do is I will just click on that VCC point and the other point, I again left click. So the connection is very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. The connection wise, immediately or very nicely you can give it so that you don't find it difficult. So here, this part is important for us. Why? Because we need this libraries. See, please remember, the libraries are already taken. If the libraries are not taken by itself, then what you have to do, you have to select those libraries. So you have to go to the add library and you have to write down the name over here and you will find those libraries. So I have taken Adafruit GFX, DST, then Adafruit SSD1306, servo, and this library which are required, I have already taken here. Okay, so now you can see it is already showing the libraries which has been taken over here. This is very important, diagram JSON. That means that whenever you make this diagram, whenever you give the connection, automatically this JSON codes, that is JavaScript code, it will be written here. And exactly you can use this code, you can copy this code and use it anywhere or send it so that the diagram can be made easily. Now, the sketches in C language, please remember, because we are giving ESP, we are using ESP32. One more thing I just want to tell you, I will just tell you a little later. So these are the things which are there, that is a screen display, what are the pin numbers and all, everything has been given. And one more thing very important, that is I have told you in the hardware part also, when we made this thing in hardware, that this part is very important for us. Why? Because you have to select the distance. How you are going to select the distance, that I'm going to, when I simulate it, I will tell you how you are going to simulate the distance. Okay, so these are the things what you have to keep it in mind. It's very, very simple to do it and very, very easy also. Okay, so what I will do is I will just go to 3 dots over here and I will just say full screen. Okay, so in the full screen we will see and we will try to simulate it. So I will press a button over here, that is the play button on the left hand side. I will just play it. Okay, so you can see, let's see what happens over here. You can see probably it will not be very clear, so I will just zoom it. Okay, so it is telling S1, S2 is free, S1 is full, S3 is full, and S4 is full. That means 3 slots for the car, that is parking, are full, and the temperature and humidity it's already given. Okay, so which one is full? Now how you will check that? Just click on this HC04 button. You will see this is full. So it is 9 centimeter. Let's see this one. So this is 2 centimeters. So that means this is full. All right. Okay. Now we will see the other ones. So this is, we will check how much it is showing. This is also 2 centimeter and one more is there. Let's see this one. So this is also this thing. So this 1, 2, 3 slots are full and this slot is not full. So that means more parking or this thing can become. So let's do that. So here I can use RFID, that is you have a RFID, we can use it. That is RC522. But please remember, Wokwi will not support the RFID. Instead of RFID, what I've shown, I've used a button over here. So I will just press a button over here. So let's see. You can see here the motor has changed its position. Once again, I will press the button. Right, it has come to its position. Suppose this part, that means this will make it to 0. That means all the parking are full, and we'll see what happens. What it shows here, all the 4 places it is showing full now. Now let's press the button. That is, let's see what happens if we press the button. So if I press the button, then there is no movement of this. That means the parking slots, all the parking slots are full, and the vehicle cannot go inside. Why? Because the gate is closed. So this is a very simple project. The same project you can do with MicroPython and using Pico board also. So even you can do the project with Pico W. That is, if you want to show it on your web browser or on your some sort of a cloud, there also you can use this project. Okay, so I will just show you different board over here. The same thing here, 2 servos have been used. You can use 1 servo also, that is gate, only 1 gate. If suppose you want to add the second gate, you can do it. So this board I have used it here, but only thing is this main PY, this thing is correct only when you do it on the hardware, that is the real hardware, this output is coming. But here in the Wokwi, sometimes you may get problem due to these things, that is your library addition. Okay, so sometimes you may find little difficult, but ESP definitely it is going to work. Okay, so please try all these projects. That is the reason why I've given you. I will be sharing the links also with you for both of my projects. And you please, I want that you should all try with that. I hope you like this project. And there is another video on this. That is the real project, the hardware project. Same, exactly same. Not using the Pico, but I have used the ESP there. So please try and please make your comments and please learn so that you grow in your subject. Thanks for watching.